We're here in Dunsborough, no, Yallingup in Perth. So we're checking in our accommodation, Caves House, heading to the receptions area. Okay, we found it. So let's go check in. Oh, look. There's a warning. Oh, look at that. It's so nice. Anyway, let's head to the receptions area first and check in. You have to scan. Look, it's so nice with a fireplace. Look at that. I don't know what this is. This is probably the function room. Oh, it's here. Okay, we're heading to our room.
So you need to remove it.
So we're staying in the garden wing area as well. Yeah. So the guy from the reception was telling us that if any news comes up, because he couldn't validate if that information was correct, that he might need to ring us and let us know that we can't stay here. Hopefully that would not happen. Now we're checking for a room. I'll show you the room, guys. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we're allowed to stay here for 2 nights. This looks like a good accommodation. Yay. This is us, guys. 312. Key card's not even working. Oh, look at that. What's this for? Is this the old key? Like, let's turn on the lights. It's not on. There. This is, what do you call it? This layout looks like the same layout as the one we've stayed in, the thingy. What do you call that? In Sydney. I forgot the name. Hello.
Ano parking sa Pikas?
Okay. Oh, this looks like a modern toilet. Such a block. I like this. Plantation shutters on the windows. Bathtub. Subway tile. Okay. So that's the living room. The bed, it's a king bed, so it could fit 4 people. When you sleep horizontally, could fit 4 Asian people. Okay. There's another plantation shutters. And this is the balcony. I wonder how... There. Trying to figure out how to open that one. And let's see what we can find here. Here's the garden, looks good. Not much view. There's the Barbie right there. You've got the wine. It's $30 for the white and $30 for the red as well. Wine glass. Exhaust. Richard. You've got your stovetop. Oh, I like the hardware. Look, so cute. There's a fire blanket. Oh, it's the first time I've seen a fire blanket here in a hotel. Cutleries. Utensils. Oh, they even have this. Not bad. You can actually cook here. Oh, what's this? There's like a button. Oh, cool. It's the first time I've seen a dishwasher in an accommodation like this. You can actually cook here. I like this one. I can do the same for an apartment, like a condominium. Can get this one followed. Oh, this is so nice. So you just get a small fridge and what's in here anyway? What's this? Oh, cool. Yeah, it's a good way to hide your kitchen appliance. Not bad. Oh, washer dryer. Sista, nice ni sista. Ipasunod sa kondo.
That's it for our video. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button. Always remember to keep the faith and go for it. See you in my next vlog.